Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to place an order on our website here. So once you arrive on the home page, you can click on the products tab up here, and this will show all the different products that we do. We do a whole bunch of other stuff as well, so if you don't see what you're looking for on here, best to either contact us on the contact page, or on the bottom right corner you'll see a little chat box, and we are available a lot of the time. So if you do want to hit us up for a chat, just jump on there and we'll get back to you very quickly. So for this example, I'm just going to select the MAP business cards. So once you arrive on the product page, you'll see here it has a bit of information about the product. If you scroll down further, you'll see information about that product. So you can click on artwork guidelines. It will tell you all about what settings, how we want the artwork file uploaded for best results. There's also a business card template here that you can download. They are all in Adobe Creative Suite. So if you don't have access to a design program, you can jump on a website similar to Canva. That's canva.com, that allows you to do free design. Otherwise, if you'd like to have a professional designer create it for you, we do have an internal design team, and you can click just here and request a business card design. So once you have decided what you want to do with your artwork, you can come up here and select what quantity you'd like. Choose other options here. So for these, you can choose matte cello, one side or two. Size, we have 3 different sizes for business card that are our standard. If you want a different size, such as a square, you can select custom, and further in the checkout process in the notes, you can just add what size you want. For any custom size business cards, as long as it's under 90 by 55, we can do that for you. And so once you've made your decisions there, you can add to cart. Just this one here is if you've got multiple designs of your business card, you can select that here. If you've got different names that you want to order for, do that, and that will order multiple sets of your card. So you can add to cart. And you'll see here what you've got in your cart at the moment. And once you click view cart, you can see that I've got 2 items here in the cart. They're exactly the same. I only wanted to have one here, so I'll just delete that out. And on the right hand side is where I can upload my artwork file. So I'll click here and select a file, open. And it's important to confirm the file here, and that will upload it for you. Okay, now if you've uploaded the wrong file or you made a mistake, you can just hit cross or delete the uploaded files and re-upload again. Once you're happy with what you've uploaded, scroll down. This is going to give you info about your order. If you've got a coupon, you can apply that here. Otherwise, you can proceed through to checkout. Now, once you're on the checkout page, you can see here the file that you've uploaded. If you've gone straight to checkout as opposed to going to the shopping cart, this is where you would have been able to upload your artwork file. You can log in here if you have an account. Benefits of having an account is you can reorder your previous orders with one click. You can also download invoices and just look at previous orders if you need to. Here you can enter your billing details. This has already been pre-filled from me. And as you go through, could create an account if I didn't already have one. And here you could put your notes about the size that you want if you've chosen custom size, information about your delivery, or anything else you'd like to communicate to us about your order. Once you're happy with that, on the right hand side you'll get further details about your order, and you have your payment options. So we have credit card, you can pay with Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal and Afterpay. These will both take you away from the site to complete your payment. That'll be processed either on PayPal or Afterpay. And we also have the option for pay by invoice. This pay by invoice is typically useful if you are a little bit unsure about your artwork file, or you'd like to have a designer check over it first before proceeding with an order. Select that there. That order will come through to us and our designer will check over it. If you're happy with it, they'll send you through a proof and then we can send you an invoice and you can pay from there as opposed to paying prior. Then you can click place order here. And this is just your order confirmation page here. The next steps that will happen is that your artwork will come through to us along with your order, and our design team will review the file. They'll create an artwork proof. Now, during business hours, this will typically happen between 1 to 2 hours from when you've placed your order. If you place it over the weekend or out of business hours, again, it'll probably be within 1 to 2 hours of when we open up. You'll receive an artwork proof and you'll be able to review that. Once you've approved it, or if you send it back for a revision, we'll make those adjustments and send you back another proof to approve. And once that's been approved, and if you've selected pay by invoice, once payment's been processed, we'll then send your order to production. I hope that explains everything clearly on how to place the order. If you do have any questions for us at all, you can reach us on the 1300 number via the contact form or on the bottom right hand side in the chat box. Thanks for visiting us at Space Print.